àgg waaw xoolal waa ji ak oh mu géeju Cees baa ngi nii waaw géej gaa ngi nii nag si marché.
Tens of thousands of people were affected by the floods that hit the state of central Darfur, Sudan, on August 9, 2022. The government's Humanitarian Aid Commission, HAC, said, initial reports estimated that around 28,000 people had been affected by heavy rains and flash floods in central Darfur state over the past few weeks. At least 6 people died, and an unknown number of people were injured when their homes collapsed in heavy rains or were washed away by flash floods. Around 1,620 houses were reported damaged. Rain and flooding also damaged 63 water sources, 73 wells, as well as a number of agricultural lands. HAC and humanitarian partners are currently working to determine the extent of damage and priority needs of affected people in all affected locations. Floodwaters and poor road conditions previously restricted humanitarian movement to the affected areas, thus hampering proper identification of needs in areas such as Azam, Mukjar and Wadi Salah. Since the start of the rainy season in May, an estimated 38,000 people across Sudan have been affected by heavy rains and floods.